I'm Allie with APS EdTech. Today I want to show you how your students can share their Chromebook screen to your new Promethean AP9 board. It's easy. Let's get started.
All right, teachers, so that your students can screen share to the board, you first need to enable. So go ahead and touch the flame button and then applications. Now you're going to look for the app called Screen Share. If it's not on your first page, go ahead and slide and see if it's on your second page. Once this window is open, screen sharing has been enabled. Your students are going to input this panel ID code into the Screen Share extension on their Chromebooks.
To get started screen sharing from your Chromebook, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you install the Promethean Screen Share extension onto your Chrome browser. So go ahead and open a new tab in Chrome. You can get here two ways. You can type in the URL chromewebstore.google.com and get to the page that looks like this. Or you can click on your extensions puzzle in the top right, click Manage Extensions, and then click Chrome Web Store on the left-hand side. Make sure that from this top toolbar you select Extensions, and then in the search bar, let's search for Promethean. We're going to click to open this one. Then from here we can click Add to Chrome. And then make sure in the pop-up window you choose Add Extension. After a moment, you'll see that the extension has been added to Chrome. We want this extension to be accessible at all times. So click on your puzzle piece, scroll down until you find that Screen Share extension, and click on the push pin. This is going to pin it to that top bar. When you're ready to share your screen, click on this option, and then you're going to type in the code that your teacher gives you. Then you'll need to enter your name in this box. This will allow your teacher to know which screen is yours. Then you'll click Continue. Here you'll see some previews of all of the windows and tabs you have open. Click on the one that applies to what you would like to share to your teacher's board. Toggle this on if you need to share the sound from your computer while you present. Leave it off if you don't. Then you can click the blue Share button. This will put you in your teacher's screen share waiting room. They will allow your screen sharing when it's your turn. You can hop off of the waiting room anytime by clicking Exit.
In order to show student screens, click on the notification icon of the little people in the bottom left corner. This is going to open up your screen share waiting room. You can have up to 4 student screens shared at one time. You can toggle to check on the boxes of the students you'd like to share. Once you've selected the appropriate people, go ahead and press the share button in the bottom, or you can double tap. This is now the student's Chromebook screen, and you are going to be able to see everything they do while they are screen sharing. This will be great for presentations or showing off how to do things on their Chromebooks.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Tell me in the comments, how are you going to use this new screen share feature for student Chromebooks?